this is the sign of the Canton Fair. I'm Eva from Baison Laser. Today, let me show you our machines. This is gonna be so cool. So, 时间到喽. Let's check out the K-series small tube laser cutting machine. It can cut round and square tubes in seconds. This one is our CO2 laser engraving machine, special for advertising industry. Alright, this one is our 3-in-1 laser welding machine, which integrates 4 functions: cutting, welding, cleaning, and weld seam cleaning. You can switch between these functions by replacing the copper nozzle. And this one is our laser marking and cleaning machine with lightweight design. It's ideal for studios and DIYers. Meanwhile, we supply one-stop laser parts, including the laser sources, laser heads, laser controllers, nozzles, ceramics, lens, windows, etc. We've got everything you need for the laser solutions. Visit us at booth number F8-10 in Hall 20.1. Super deals for the Canton Fairs. Don't miss it. See you!